Hi, I'm Jack,
I'm Connor.
and welcome to Superior Cycles on Technology and Manufacturing.
What things does this class offer for 8th grade students?
This class offers a chance for kids to design something and actually build it and go home with a finished product they can be proud of.
What do your students learn in the Funko Pop project?
They actually learn scale, they learn safety procedures for wood carving and woodworking, they learn to make things, they learn how to stain, paint, and complete a finished product.
What's your favorite part about being in this class?
Some things that I like about being in this class are the experiences that we learn, but my most favorite part is the teacher. Mr. Blatt is just the most amazing teacher, and he's really helped me so much.
I really like the class. It helps me a lot. Like, if I want to be a construction worker down the road, it shows me all the information I need to know, and especially the teacher. He's really changed my life and turned it around for the better because he gives me so much life information. It seriously helps.
Did you have a fun experience in this class, and what did you like about it?
I like that we got to build our own little thing. It was very fun. Mr. Blatt's a great guy, and I really enjoyed the class.
At Mr. Blatt's class, I had an extremely fun experience. First, he's a very amazing teacher, and he inspired me in many ways. In his class, the things that we did was super fun, especially cutting wood.
Thank you.
Yes, I had a great experience in wood shopping. I really enjoyed it due to the fact that I had a lot of friends, and it was very nice having a lot of people there who I knew. And the experience about building the boxes and stuff, whatever we did there, it was very fun.
Would you take this class again in the future, and why?
I would, because it was just very fun. I got to build my own little thing. I like building. It's a good experience in the class, and I learned a lot.
Yes, I would take this class again in the future. First, Mr. Blatt is a very good guy, and the stuff that we do in his class is extremely fun.
Thank you.
I would take the class again if I had the same classmates, because it was a fun experience. It was very nice to see everything we could do, measurements, cutting the wood, and pretty much everything was fun.
Wow, Jack, I didn't realize that technology and manufacturing can help you in many aspects of life.
Well, I didn't know that.
Yeah, see you next time on WMS TV.